Once I've got that turkey struck up and I know that I've got his attention and he's working his way into me, I don't want to keep power calling to him and just keep cranking on him. I mean, some turkeys, they'll let you do that and they'll gobble the whole way in, but that's just, I think you might find one turkey all season that'll act like that. But the rest of them seem to be a little bit more stubborn and need a little more coaxing. And what I like to do to them is just hit them with soft yelps, clucks and purrs, and kind of the under your breath yelps that really just drive them wild. This is what I like to sound like doing that. Just little stuff like that, and then I'll give it a rest for a few minutes, let him kind of do his thing, just soft calling him, letting him know that you're there, just keeping him calm and just let him take his time and work in. Just seems to be one of the best tactics that I can use when I'm working a gobbler.